Hi everybody, we're here today to give you the after, the big reveal, and it's absolutely stunning. I love this project and I love these homeowners. This is just a huge transformation, and we'll start off by talking about this vanity space. Before, there was actually a doorway that we moved, and there was nothing here except a bathtub area. We wanted to give these homeowners a double vanity instead of the pedestal sink that they had originally on the other side of the vanity. As you can see, we went with a warm grayish hexagon tile that really went well with the existing wood floors. And the vanity is just beautiful with the wood tones, and then a quartz countertop.